let's just say that you have finished your soundscape. You're really happy with it. You've applied a few effects, and you want to export your soundscape. So we go up to File, and then we go to Export, and then click Media. Sometimes, that won't come up, so you'll press it and a dialog box won't come up. And if that happens, we need to click on Project, and then hopefully that should happen. It's a funny thing that happens sometimes with Premiere Pro. Now it's popping up after I click Project. Okay, so we're happy with our soundscape, and because we're not working with video at the moment, we're only working with sound. So we have to think about what our format is going to be. We want to go down to waveform audio, and this will make a Wav file. A Wav file is an uncompressed audio file. And this is the file that we want to be exporting as our final output for our soundscape. So once we've clicked waveform audio, we'll see WAV 48 kilohertz 16-bit. That's great. We can then name our soundscape. Please save your soundscape in the same folder as all of your project files. This is really important. Test soundscape, save. We'll scroll down here. Yeah, that is fine. 16-bit is great. We want it on stereo, not mono. Stereo, and great. And then we should be able to export. So we can either click Export, and this will pop up another box and render and export. But if we click Export, that means we can't keep editing while exporting, because that's what Premiere Pro is doing. But if we click Q, it will pop up Adobe Media Encoder. So we're in Adobe Media Encoder right now, and we click this little arrow here, and then that will start exporting our soundscape. If we do that, that means when that's exporting, we can go back to our Premiere Pro file and keep editing. So that's just a little way to quicken your workflow, so you can sort of keep working while you're exporting things. And then once it's done, we can click here, and then that's where our soundscape will be. Great. Thanks for watching.